How y'all doing? Steve McGranahan here, world's strongest redneck. You remember last year I did lawnmower on a stick to do my hedges? Well, this year I came up with an even better idea. People say I live dangerous all the time doing crazy stuff. That's because I live on the hedge. Anyhow, check it out. Don't do this at home because it's really, really dangerous and really, really stupid. Check it out. Cut pretty good, didn't it? Steve McGranahan, world's strongest redneck. Playing with my chainsaw on the rope. Look at that. Pretty work right there. Steve McGranahan, world's strongest redneck. Chainsaw on the rope.